I'm in my mom's car. Yeah, please step out of the vehicle.
Stop! We never want this to happen. That's why we have seatbelts.
You guys know that seatbelts are a crucial part of when you're riding in a car. You guys can get seriously injured from it.
Wait, so you're saying that seatbelts stop you from crashing into anything inside a car during a car crash?
Yeah, they do. They strap you to the seat so that you can't move around. Did you guys know that there was a time where there were no seatbelts and driving was super duper dangerous?
Wait, was there laws that required that? Back then, no. There weren't any laws that required it.
But later, car companies like Volvo, Ford, and Chrysler started adding seatbelts to new cars.
After did they make seatbelts mandatory? After that, yes, they made them mandatory for safety.
After that, there are many improvements. Fewer people got injured and more people got safe.
Well, thank you guys for helping me learn more about seatbelts and about seatbelt safety. I will definitely wear them from now on.
So kids and adults, remember to always wear your seatbelts, and thank you for keeping you safe.
Danny, Yashvi, and Natalia. Yeah, you know what's right.
Before the car moves, click it tight. Hop in the car, going out with the crew. First things first, got a job to do. Buckle that belt, hear the quick real clear. That's the sound of safety in the ear. Doesn't matter if you're near or far, across the street or in a fast car. Seatbelts keep you safe and sound. Keep your body from flying around. Seatbelt, 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 seatbelt.